If you want to change icon color on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, what you need to do is you need to go to settings. Now over here in settings, if you scroll down, you should be able to find personalization. Next in personalization, we can go to icons, and what you can do is you can change the background color for icons. Unfortunately, many third-party apps are not working well, or actually not working at all with this feature. But just to show you, if we go to the app drawer, as you can see, some apps have colored icons. What you can also do is you can change the theme completely on your phone. So if we go to themes over here in the theme store, and let's say we're gonna choose, I don't know, something like this one, for example, this theme over here, as you can see, we can change icons completely. So if you want something like that, we can download the theme. Of course, there might be some compatibility issues, but we can just tap got it. And before we apply, we can just go to customize and we can exclude everything except for icons, and we can apply new icons. And there we go. As you can see, the theme has been changed for icons. And maybe it doesn't just change icon colors, but it changes some stuff. So you might want to do that instead. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.